Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to separate audio from video in Davinci Resolve 18. So to do this, it's pretty simple. To separate audio from your clip or video, it's here. So all you have to do is go to your media pool, and here go to your media storage basically. Locate the video that you want to extract audio from, and then just press right click and then extract your audio. From there, it will show up right beside the clip that you have extracted it from. So as you can see here, that is just about right here. So now we just have to press right click again and reveal it in your folder or finder in your MacBook, and in reveal in your folder if you're using Windows. And here you go, it's right here. So now we go back to our clip right here. So now just go to your media pool again, and then go to your master and then drag it right here and locate the audio file that you wanted a while ago, and there you go. Basically it's from here, it's there, just place it right there, and the screen recording or whatever video that you have took a while ago, just place it right there, and there you go. Basically that's how you do it. That's how you separate audio from video in Davinci Resolve 18. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.